Alex's birthday, one on every man for himself, front yard brawl, COVID-19, and go! Stay off the driveway. Go. Front yard.
Don't do nothing, Mark. You're not thinking about nothing.
Listen here.
We can have a landline.
If you disturb my bike, I will personally. Without this though.
Do something!
No, I don't want it.
Do something, cat.
Do something, cat.
Monkey, charge him. Charge him. Lockie's dead.
Your gun is so accurate.
Off the driveway, Mark. You can be inside it, just don't go through the lines.
Right. So we can't sneak underneath the line.
You could go underneath, don't go through them.
Mark, go. I have a run. You have a duty mission. Reloading session has ended. Now, listen here. Execute order. Get off! I hate you. You hate me. Let's team up and get up on me. Wait, don't I think you are Alex.
Wait, Alex is an order? Alex is an order, what would he be? He'd be like one singular french fry because he's so skinny. I personally would be a big double.
Let's see if it's reloading time.
Here we go. This is it, guys.
Oh, shoot someone. Idiot.
Yo, he moving. Oh, it's okay.
I'm gonna get you.
Dead. 3 left. Not sure why nobody's going for Lucas, but all right.
I'm just chilling. Don't. I just hit you or we no, miss.
Oh, Lucas is dead.
The fact that I just drilled Mark in the arm.
1v1.
Here we go. Yo, social distance.
I'm the better gun.
Mark, or Alex, you've collected enough souls. Would you like to hire a mercenary?
Yeah, what?
Here, just buy this axe from me, bro.
No.
Yo.
Lucas is being used as cover.
I got him.
He did. He got you. That's the end.